Hi there, students. An abattoir. An abattoir. Okay, an abattoir is where animals are killed in order to provide meat. A slaughterhouse. The abattoir is the place where animals are killed and then they go to the meat packing plant where they are cut up and made into meat. But the abattoir, it's a posh word for a slaughterhouse. Yeah, it's where animals are killed and processed into meat products. Okay, so an abattoir, it's the place where animals are killed for their meat. Normally these are away from the center of large cities, and like this there is regulation how the animals are killed, and with a bit of luck it reduces the cruelty as well. I don't think I would like to work in an abattoir. Yeah, it's okay. So the report said that the conditions in the abattoir were very bad. They weren't the best of conditions. Okay, so an abattoir, it's where farmers take their animals, their cows and their sheep, to be slaughtered. Now, formality. A slaughterhouse, 5 in formality. An abattoir, maybe 6 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation or a semi-formal writing or something formal as well. And then as to origin, this word abattoir, it comes from the French abattre. Abattre, to strike down, to knock down, or to slaughter. Okay, so an abattoir, a public slaughterhouse for cattle, for sheep, etc. Okay, I think you might also use this metaphorically. An event that was like a slaughterhouse. So the bombing raid turned the area into an abattoir. Yes, because there was great carnage, there was great bloodshed, many people were killed. Now notice the abattoir is a place where animals are killed for meat that is going to be eaten. You also have a knacker's yard where animals are slaughtered, but in the knacker's yard it's not for human consumption. Yeah, it's for example, old horses go to the knacker's yard to make glue, or maybe dog food or something like that. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Abattoir.